Today, Pebble Beach, California installed a mag lock for a customer on some swing gates here in Pebble Beach. They want their gates to be a little more secure, so we installed a little 600-pound mag lock. Visions. They get tired of the people pushing the gate open. Close the gates here for you. There it is. Locks in place. Gates are secured from being pushed open. And another satisfied customer here today in Pebble Beach, California. For any of your gate needs, call West Coast Doors and Gates today of San Jose and Morgan Hill, and now in Monterey.